My name is Lorraine, and I'm here at the Misty Mountain Health Retreat. And I've come here because I wasn't eating well, and I've come here for detox, and I was feeling a bit lethargic and a lot of fatigue. I wasn't having that balance in my food. I really like it here because they tell you everything of what to do, and you get a live blood analysis, which you can see your red blood cells and your white blood cells. And the staff here is great, and all the lectures that Barbara gives is all cutting edge knowledge that when you go back home you apply to your lifestyle, because it really gives you the urge to live healthy for your health, for longevity. And Misty Mountain is a great place because I've seen people that have come here that have cancer and diabetes and all kinds of diseases that we have today, and have reversed it. I would recommend Misty Mountain to anyone that is sick, in whatever sickness that you have. This is a great place to be in. Thanks.